Top 5 robots that will blow your mind in 2025. First up, Optimus, Tesla's ambitious humanoid robot project, designed to handle tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or boring for humans. Optimus stands at 5 feet 8 inches and weighs 125 pounds. It's equipped with advanced AI to navigate and perform various functions, aiming to revolutionize industries like manufacturing and logistics. Elon Musk envisions Optimus becoming a central part of our daily lives, assisting in tasks ranging from household chores to complex industrial operations. Next we have Disney's robotic companions, bringing a touch of magic to robotics. Developed by Walt Disney's Imagineering Research and Development, these robots are designed to interact with guests in Disney parks, offering lifelike movements and engaging experiences. For instance, during NVIDIA's GTC development event, a robotic droid named Betch, based on Star Wars characters, showcased puppy-like actions, captivating the audience. These robots exemplify the fusion of entertainment and advancements in robotics, creating immersive experiences for visitors. At number 3 is Nivea's Isaac Group N1, an open source, pre-trained yet customizable foundation model designed to accelerate humanoid robot development. This model marks at the beginning of the age of the generalist robotics, enabling robots to learn and adapt to various tasks with minimal programming. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Agility Robotics are leveraging this model to enhance their robot capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what autonomous machines can achieve. Coming in at number 4 is Engine AI's SEO-1, a full-size general person humanoid robot. Standing in at 170 centimeters tall and weighing 55 kilograms, SEO-1 boosts 32 degrees of freedom and can walk at a speed of 2 meters per second. It's capable of performing actions such as squatting, grasping, running, and even jumping. Recently, Engine AI showcased SEO-1 executing a forward flip, demonstrating remarkable agility and balance. This advancement signifies a leap forward in human robotics, bringing us closer to integrating such robots into daily tasks. Last but not least, we have the iRobot Combo J9+, a cutting-edge robot vacuum that combines powerful suction with mopping capabilities. Initially launched in September 2023, the J9 Plus offers 100% suction compared to previous models and features an innovative docking station with a water tank refill function. Its advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance makes it a standout in home automation, keeping living spaces spotless and minimal human intervention. These 5 robots exemplify the rapid advancement in robotics as of 2025. Each contribution uniquely to industries ranging from entertainment to home cleaning. As we continue to integrate these machines into our lives, the line between science fiction and reality blurs, opening up exciting possibilities for the future. Today's episode is brought to you by the Robots of London, the UK's premier provider of robot rentals for events, activations and more. If you're looking to add a futuristic touch to your next event, check out Robots of London through the link below.